Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a new artist here on Garden Guitar. I'm not sure about the pronunciation here. Dhruv? Yeah. Anyway, Speed of Light. That is easier to understand. Speed of Light, cool song. And yeah, it fits guitar very well. So I thought it was a nice input here on Garden Guitar to cover this one and have something new in. So let's take a look at this song. And we have 6 chords we need to learn. No need for any capo here. We're going clean. So let's do the chords. We have first A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D next. And that is open D, second G, third B, second E. G. That is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. We also have E. That goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. Then we have C. And that goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord, of course, we need to have a bar chord. So that is the A sharp sus version of it, and it goes bar here on the first fret. And you don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below, you have to. And then you need to add third on D and third on G. All right. So the last 2 chords there, the C and the A sharp, we're gonna use that for the bridge part later on. But we have this main chord progression that goes pretty much 95% of the song. And it goes A minor to D to G to E. All right. We're gonna look at the strumming pattern now to learn how to handle the chords. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, one strumming around goes like this: down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. That is strumming that really fits this song here. So I'm gonna play it for you and then explain closer. Okay, so it is basically down, down, clap, down. And then you do that for 2 rounds. But it's a little bit different to go and put these 2 rounds together. And yeah, there's a certain rhythm here. So if you look at it this way, 2 downs and a clap, then 3 downs, a clap, and a down. That will be easier in my understanding to get the feeling for the rhythm in the right way. So 2 downs first, clap, and then 3 downs, and then clap, and a final down. Okay, so down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Okay, so a couple rounds. Right. Now, you're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord, and the order I already mentioned is A minor to D to G to E. So we're gonna try that 1 strumming round per chord. Right, so that's the main part in the song. And then later at 2 minutes and 21 seconds into the song comes a bridge part. You're gonna continue the same strumming, all right? Just different chord progression now. We have 2 halves, so you can speak. So the first half of it will be A sharp, 1 strumming around, C1 and G2. That's the first half, and the second half will be A sharp 1, C1, G1 and E1. So A sharp, C, and G2. A sharp, C, G, and E. That ends the bridge part. Then back to the main part, A, D, G, and E. Till the very end. Alright, so there you have it. Dhruv? Not sure. Speed of light. So I hope you enjoy this. And if it was helpful, please give me a like on the tutorial and see you next time. Play tuned.